bampe ku mulimu wasoma ki soka tutwega Greater Bibu ng'ogyeko ekyokubeera nti embaata biki ebirala ebisangibwa wano eno?
Kati first of all wano ku Greater Bibu Wellness Resort home of it's our home where we sell the duck delicacy. That's number one. Number two, nze njita a green oasis where the urban life meets the natural beauty. It's a place where you can come and relax and enjoy with family, with children. Now, like my friend Abraham, he's brought his family. Alisa Abanabe to come and play. Yeah, we have boat rides, Turina play area. There's a gym that we are coming up with. Then Turina section ya K9 eriwa gulu abembwa. Mulimu abantu abagala okutraining embwa zaabwe abagala let me give you an example. Like last year festive season twaina abantu abaleeta embwa zaabwe bangi wachi because bali bagenda mu byalo nga tebagala kuleka embwa zaabwe waka ate nga tetwali agenda kukola kizi feedinga. So we have a dormitory. Yes, nga ogamba boarding yembwa. Oleta embwa if you're going to travel mulimu abatambula mu mawanga amalala. Nenga teeka kasembwa enalya enabera wetya. So oja ne tujiboardinga for a period of time ngokomawo ne tujikudiza. Tukola ne training of different types of dogs. Kacho department eri waggulu.
Bakikola batya?
Tuina trainers who can work with whatever type of dog. Era bamanyi bajikwata batya. Era ne dormitories nazo ziri divided.
Bika bya mbwa ki bye mulinako kwano omuntu yasobola otegeera?
Tuina German Shepherd, tuina Swiss German Shepherd, tuina Belgian Malinois, tuina the Rottweilers, tuina the different types.
Omuntu abeera abuliddwako ekintu asobola okujja wano embwa n'ekinoonya.
Tuina ne video bungi nga tuina n'embwa ng'osobola ogituma ekintu mu motoka. We have dogs that have been trained to have that type of intelligence. Ngosobolo era ino mugenda ku page ya K9 Greater Bibu K9 Academy. Bu video kwebuli olina agituma sente mu motoka nezileta. Mugende
ku Greater Bibu K9 Academy. Social media TikTok, Facebook, buli wamu. Mugenda labe embwa zetwogerako kuba ekiri wanange kinewunyisiza.
Greater Bibu
K9
Academy. Greater Bibu K9 Academy. Yembwa specifically so department yembwa eri waggulu. Yeah.
Okay.
And hostinzeo also emikolo mingi, especially dala recently twabade tuina ne proposal. That's those who are in love. There was an engagement. Yes, we held an engagement. Era never gonna wakebera ku pages of Greater Bibu Wellness Resort. Greater Bibu Wellness Resort proposal jajira bako. We had a beautiful proposal set up for someone who was proposing their loved one. Wow. Last month we hosted a wedding of about 400 people. So Kweno Resort, we still have a restaurant that is attached to it. Era na joba jita Greater Bibu restaurant. Era na yetu kola outside catering like any other. And then also it's a specialty restaurant where we're cooking different types of foods. Ngo wegala pigeon, ngo yagala jiri, anga tujikusayida ngo jiri, atujikusikira bulungi. Yagala mbata, we can do it. You want to eat a guinea-fowl, we can cook it for you. So different things basically.
Basebe ne bannyabe bintu mubiwulidde gwe buli kye weetaaga ate jangu wano eno. Tumale okunyumyamu ko ate omukulu gambo.
Dibulungi sebo gambo kisi. Abraham Kasami is my name.
Tukusanze wano basically. Bantu bajja kwebuuza oli mukozi wa wano, oli mulambuzi, oli mukwano gwa wano. Olite ku mbaata. Obuwomi bw'embaata.
I can respond to the question twofolds. It's soccer, their branding. The brand attracted me. The signposts that on the road that made me move in. It being a resort and I'm seeing a dog on the signpost, I got attracted and I said, let me pay a visit. Secondly, I moved with my children, a number of them. And when I showed them the signpost, never got to get there. So when I reached there, I was amazed. And indeed, this is one of its kind. First of all, when tuse wali bangambye wano waliwo Mbaata okola oda ne bajikusikira. And all my children are all eager to taste that Mbaata Jebas resort, which is one of its kind. That's what I'm saying. The second one, the resort. The name Habib, Great Habib. There is a way abantu they dissociate themselves, the Muslims, from the dog side. Karate here we have the dog section with the dormitories. They take care of the dogs the other side. So first of all, security and the love and care for dogs, we appreciate. This other side, the boat ride, which we always go for somewhere else. Now it's here, just here in Kasangati. Eh? Hey.
Even on the boat, you can actually have your meal. Let me say, when the Mbaata is ready, you can have the Mbaata on the boat. As you're having your boat ride. Yes, nojira ku boat ride.
Wow.
Yes. Yes, nojira ku boat ride.
Ensonga eyo gy'olidde. Embaata osobola ogirira ku mazzi.
I moved with this prince from
Is the prince from Toro?
Do you know Rutoro?
No.
You know Rutoro?
Yeah.
Empako.
At Toki.
Oli otatuoke.
Eliota.
Empako. Oli wa 14 ka.
Huh?
Where exactly Fort Potro?
I don't know.
You don't know?
That's all I know.
Okay.
Okay. How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Victor.
Victor. Okay. What's your experience from here?
From here, this is actually my first time being here.
So far, how is the place?
It's good.
Have you seen Mbaata?
What's an Mbaata?
Duck.
Duck.
Yeah.
Are you ready to test it while you're having your boat ride? Because you're going to test it while you're on the boat.
from the boat.
You're going to be having a boat ride and then you test the duck meat.
What?
Yes. It's quite an experience because so many people are having a boat ride just about to deko butuzi. So boat ride jetwaleeta ye nti otekawole somaani ye Mbaata olusaniyaro n'olya bulungi nga as you're enjoying the breeze and everything else.
Have you ever seen those big ducks?
Swans?
Yes, one.
No. I only seen them on TV.
On TV, eh? You've got an opportunity to see a live swan.
Yeah.
But now you're
These
going
are
to test.
smaller than I thought. They're smaller than I thought.
They're smaller than you thought.
Which one? Swan.
The swans are big.
But I've seen the ones on YouTube that are way bigger.
Yeah, it depends, of course, on the sizes. Yes.
Omuntu nga omwami abadde akyogeddeko abasiraamu bafiiringe batya? Are they secure? Babeera bazze wano eno because abasiraamu tebagira nnyo nambwa.
Yeah, they're very, very secure. Nga bwe tugambye nti departments kinganga ogamba departments za njawulo. Department ya K9 eri wala, and most of it ebeera ya embwa zibeera for protection, bazi training for protection purposes and things like that. Then resort eri on a different also departments, I should say. So tebasuubira nti bwe babeera wano embwa egenda kuva eri ekole ki ebagobe. No. Ziri confined into one place. Neno eri different setting. There are two different types of settings.
Okay. Tamale, soko omwana omwogeremu. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
I realize America Sami Amoti.
Amoti.
Odota moti.
Ako.
Amoti.
Ni empako yao. Yanga alali.
Talali.
Odota moti.
Kulungi.
Odutolo kalwegera nka.
Where did you learn the story from?
From home.
From home. Have you ever go okagyawo tolo? Tolo manyireyo. Pot. Nka onyi.
What's the name of your home?
Kuli tolo.
Umura Farm.
Nka?
Umura Farm.
Umura Farm. District ya Kayeke.
Fort Potro.
So webale kwijja hano Abibu Great Ducks.